I wonder if they can tell that I'm wearing sweatpants. Let's do a little Instagram story. If you guys saw that Instagram story, make sure you comment a octopus emoji. It'll be like our little secret thing. Oh my god, I have to pee. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about 3 different looks, this, and this. So these are just going to be my simple tips and tricks to help you guys make sure that your baby boys have the cutest, most on point hair that they can have. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing videos like this. So let's just jump right in. Now I'm going to be linking everything down in the description bar below. So if you guys have any questions about anything at all, it's going to be all listed out right there and all of the how-tos will be there too. So the first thing we're going to talk about is hair care. Now what I do when I'm caring for Valor's hair, I make sure that I'm washing it with a Cradel cap shampoo. This is the Medela Cradel cap shampoo that I use. I've been using it since birth and he's never had Cradel cap. The only time that I've ever started to see it come out was when we switched to a regular shampoo and we weren't using this one. So I would highly suggest using a Cradel cap specific shampoo. So the first look that we're going to talk about is this one right here. Who doesn't love a baby in a beanie? So what we're going to do for this look is we're just going to leave his hair normal. We're going to put his beanie on over his head and we're going to pull the bangs out of the front. That is the key. If they have the hair, don't cover it all up. Leave a little bit out. It gives them a little bit of an edgy look and it makes him look a little bit of a skater boy. I think it's really cute. The second look that we're going to do today is how I get his disheveled spiky look. So what we're going to do with this is the secret ingredient and you all are going to be shocked. It's butt paste. Yes, I said that right. His diaper rash cream I use in his hair. Now don't worry, the ingredients are totally safe. I've already done the research. The biggest ingredient in this is zinc oxide, which is actually sunscreen, but it has that tacky clay feeling and it smells really nice. Put this through his hair. It gives it that moldable creamy look that you need to kind of rake through his hair and give him those nice spikes that stay all day. You can also tousle through it throughout the day and it gets nice and disheveled. Make sure you subscribe if you liked this look. And the third look that we're gonna do is what I like to call the Dapper Gent. So cute. This is a modern take on that old school comb over. So what we're gonna do with it is we're going to brush it into place. I like to use a boar's hair brush. The weaker part side, I like to comb forward. When I brush all of his hair forward, I like to swoop just the front back. And then I set it with his baby lotion. This acts as a placeholder and will keep everything in place all day long. There you have it. Those are my 3 easy looks for your little baby boy's hair. I hope you liked this video. It was just short, sweet, and easy, and I've been wanting to film it for a long time because I do get a lot of compliments on Valor's hair and everybody has seemed to really like how I style it. Leave a comment down below of different videos that you would like to see from me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway once we hit 5,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right now so you won't miss out on that opportunity. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.